Well, welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio US Preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. November the 5th, 2010. 7:30, getting right to it. We see the futures down a little bit here. We take a look at the hourly chart. Daily chart, again, with non-farm payroll looming. Hourly chart in this futures, sorry about that. Hourly chart in the futures still look good. We could pull back all the way, in the S&Ps, we could pull back all the way to here and still be a buy. That's 10 more handles. So in looking at the market as we see it right now, German factory orders were down 4%. Horrible number. So I think that certainly playing part of the reason why the futures are down. Oh, come on. I think that, again, it's all jockeying. The market obviously was up big before yesterday. So this is just, to me, pullback, and, we don't know yet. Could we be down all day today? Absolutely. But I don't think it's going to be that easy, especially for the bears and the bulls combined. Again, looking at the daily chart here, just a nice pullback from yesterday's big move. Taking a look at gold. Also pulling back nicely. Again, gold could pull back all the way down to 1366, that big breakout here, and still be along. So I expect more volatility. Could we come in more? Absolutely. Again, this whole 1366 level we could pull back to, but we're getting a nice little reversal here. Right now it's 734. And the same thing for oil, pulling back a little bit, but reversing right now. So it's not over by far. I am short dollars. Absolutely. Taking a look at the dollar index. Again, rallying to the break point, but it's far from over. We have not taken our previous day high. 76.50 is a big spot in the dollar index. And we'll see. I think the number's probably going to be a little bit better. I think the number might be a little bit better. I think that'll launch the futures and probably the dollar down, but then dollar up. That's pretty much the way. Again, I believe that the dollar could reverse today to the upside. But my problem with this bias is it's already happened. So now the problem is if the dollar does reverse and we do start heading lower, we could get some big-time momentum to the downside. And I think if this number is bad, you'll probably see that. So look at this dollar index again. And we can even go to the hourly charts. My cursor's not working. I got to clean something. Look at the hourly chart and dollar index. We see a nice little shooting star here, reversing nicely. Right into the downtrend channel. Right ahead of 8 o'clock. And it could get very interesting. If we've broken out to the upside, absolutely not. Again, this is why the 76.50 level is so important. If I could just get my cursor to work, it'd be a lot easier. So we see here the 76.50, very big spot. But starting to roll over a little bit now. And again, should we take out this whole little uptrend spike up, we take out 76 again to the downside, say goodbye, measure the move, say hello to 75. Easy. Euro, obviously, relative strength loser. Euro sterling coming in nicely. Let's take a look at that Euro sterling. I like it to the downside. We are short. It's coming in beautiful. Cable, sterling dollar should be the relative strength winner. I want to look to lighten up here a little bit, team. Euro sterling coming in a nice 70 pips for us, depending on where you got short. But Euro sterling looks like it might bounce here a little bit, but we break through this whole 90 level. Say goodbye. Looking at the hourly chart on the euro dollar. Nice little reversal here. We are long. Cable exploding. Look at the sterling hourly chart. Everything's still looking good. Oh, baby. It's not over. And again, we get this whole little uptrend channel line. We got this whole upward section. This sterling could still easily see 63.50. It's so not over. And again, we take our previous day highs and lows, respectively, say bye-bye. Dollar Canada, certainly I was wrong on that number. I thought that number would be very much on the weak side, on the better side, but coming in a little bit light, only up 4,000, but the unemployment rate getting a little bit better. I see a nice little doji shooting star here on the hourly. Still looks good to me. Again, it's not over. Oh, baby. And it's not too late. Not too late to get in. Absolutely not. Hopefully you'll get this. And by the way, my YouTubes, unfortunately, weren't working because I tried to do an SWF file, and it didn't work, I guess. It uploaded on globalmarketsradio.com, my new website, but it has not. Apparently, I guess SWF files don't work on YouTube. So look for this one to work. Back to wave. Dollar Swiss still looks terrible in a range, 50 pip range. We break through the lows, say goodnight. Euro Swiss coming in nicely. I'd say 95. Easy today. Easy. New Zealand. Another one. Hourly chart reversing nicely. Break it down to break it out. Oh, baby. Say hello to 80. Probably today. Easy. Again, could make money on both sides of the aisle today. And last but not least, dollar yen. I see no reason why. This dollar yen, to me, short. Again, worst number. More quantitative easing. More money out there. Dollar yen should come in. BOJ showed nothing. Bitching and moaning, but again, no intervention unless it's coordinated, and no one seems to be troubled by the yen. You haven't heard a peep out of the U.S. A peep. So, U.S. is very happy about it. Once the U.S. gets concerned, but this is the hourly chart. Dollar yen can go either way. Above 81, it's a long, probably pop up to 81.50. Below 80.50, dollar yen looks like a absolute short. My bias is more to the downside. And again, this euro sterling, something very important to watch here. Big break on this euro sterling. Rolling over head and shoulders. Left side, right side, neckline. Right, we're right there. Big winner for us today. And that, again, if euro sterling continues to roll over, and again, big inflation out of London. PPI exploding. So that's not good. That was up over 2.1% input cost. And again, with this euro sterling coming in, German EuroZone retail sales down 0.2%. I look for that to continue. So with euro sterling falling again, this day in the S&Ps is so far from over. Remember, the S&Ps, they're only down 275. That's nothing. I'm again bullish engulfing. Should we take out 1220 in the S&Ps, we're going up big. And remember, those of you who have are interested in my 3-month special, there is no trial. I've gotten some emails about this. No trial for that. You want to do the trial? Do the premium subscription for the 1-week free trial, $200 a month. Cancel that before your 1 week is up. You will not be billed if you are. Obviously, I'll credit back your money. And then sign up for the 3-month deal. You're basically getting 1 month free, right? Buy 2, get 1 free. 1 free, baby. So, again, and that offer is going to be good till end of January. So you still got time. info@globalfxradio.com. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. Again, today's not over. And again, non-farm payroll, I see a better number coming. If it's good, you get that instant euphoria, I think. We get that big explosion up. And then I think we reverse back down to the downside. The problem is with that is that how high are we going to go? I mean, are we really going to get to that 1233? Well, it's certainly only 18 handles away. Not so far off. And the euro and the dollar, well, I don't know. Cable's certainly not far from its highs. Break it down to break it out. Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton, globalmarketsradio.com. Check out my new site. I will have a new rant this weekend, absolutely. Obama goes to India. And, again, today should be very interesting. I like cable. I like euro short across the board. Have a good day, people. Make some money. Here we go. Volatility in the house. To the moon. Bye-bye.